back to the Live Lounge at Open Banking Expo UK and Europe 2025, and I'm delighted to be joined on the sofa by Garri Galanter, who is the Chief Executive Officer at Salt Edge. Welcome to the Live Lounge.
Thank you.
Garri, tell us a little bit about Salt Edge. Where does your company fit into the open finance ecosystem?
I would say that it is exactly in the center of the system. It is because we do the two main things which are important for open finance. Mm-hmm. We build APIs and we consume APIs. We build APIs, we provide API, regulatory APIs for open banking compliance in many countries, mm-hmm. independently of their regulations, including open banking, UK, PSD2 in Europe, Saudi Arabia, Israel, some others. And on the other side, we consume APIs, which means we are massive aggregator with a presence in aggregation in 50 countries, mm-hmm. both for account information and payment initiation. And this position is exactly at the center, doing both sides of the coin.
Well, very shortly, Garri, you're going to be opening the Open Finance Show at today's Expo. You obviously, Salt Edge is obviously an event partner, so that stage is your stage today, really. So what are some of the conversations you hope are going to happen?
I want people to understand and to share my vision that open finance has lost its position as a buzz in human interpretation. But now it became a norm. It became a standard mean to solve the existing problems. And this role is less shiny, but more important. On the other hand, I want to mention, and I want people to share my vision, that the coolest topics of today, which are cryptocurrencies and artificial intelligence, can be included in open finance ecosystem, mm-hmm. in many appropriate ways.
So Garri, what do you think are the key opportunities in open finance for you? And what are some of the early sort of adopters? Which sectors are really early in the open finance space?
I cannot exactly mention the best early adopters for open finance because it depends not on the sector, but on the mental readiness of the representatives of different spheres. Mm-hmm. And I would say that on one hand, there are a lot of successful use cases in responsible lending using open finance. On the other side, there is a success in cardless payments. But at the same time, in all the spheres, there are outsiders and the companies and businesses which don't use the opportunities of open finance.
So, in your view, how important are partnerships in getting more use cases live and in the market?
And the partnership is one of the core ideas, because open finance can be applied in many, many sectors, including, I would say, not only financial. It should be applied to bankers, insurance companies. It can be used by travel industry, hospitality. It can be used for decision making in credit scoring, as well as the consumer decisions for choice of the better utilities. Mm-hmm. So it can be used very wide. So far, the cooperation and partnership is crucially important. For example, we can, as Salt Edge, we can partner with the companies in different spheres, mm-hmm. To provide for them a better vision and better service in the open finance sphere.
Well, look, talking of partnerships, we have our very own open banking ecosystems here that we're giving to all of our Live Lounge interviewees today. So we're really delighted to present you with yours. And look, I shall leave you, Garri, to go and open the Open Finance Show. Thank you for joining me in the Live Lounge.
Thank you.